I couldn't fucking breathe there for a few seconds.
I'll say Marshalls. I'll say that stands for long cock.
Oh God, please no!
Let's keep our composure, guys.
No, it stands for large cucumber.
Hey, say oodles and noodles.
Oh, fuck. I got it better.
Wait, say it again.
Yes, it's noodles and noodles.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna say it. Here, I'm just gonna type it.
Oh, fuck.
I don't think you hear me.
Oh, this is gonna be... You ready?
Oh God, don't throw up.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh.
Like, Jerry composed
Oh
himself
no,
first.
that's man bazooka juice.
On the right man position. Hold on. What's this? What was this? The question? Hey, look, it's Bigfoot. It's man bazooka juice.
Is hearing Karen to do that? That makes me laugh fucking hysterically.
Oh, okay, that's good.
I'm actually
Dude, my
crying.
fucking throat, my throat hurts and I'm crying. Oh my God.
Oh great, now the tides have turned on me. Well, now we're getting me to say shit.
I got one right after.
That's alright.
Oh no.
Wait, hold on. What are you doing? Oh, for fuck's sakes, really?
Quit whining.
Blue emu. Oh, for fuck's sake.
What the hell is a blue emu?
That's what it fucking says. Look, blue emu.
I know, but what is it?
It's like this. I've seen this before. It's like this.
Yummy.
Okay, mother.
Don't be so loud.
Mother,
What?
you want to see a magic trick?
Don't.
You want to see a magic trick?
Oh no.
You want to see a magic trick? Watch. I'll make her scared without saying a word.
I-
Oh shit! Knock the shit out of you! Like, get your big ass over
I
here.
had a long frickin'
I had a long muff on the shitter. Alright, come on.
Aww,
Oh, Shane, say blue emu.
Oh, look at that, it's a blue emu. I can't do this shit anymore. Oh my god.
What the hell is going
That's
on?
fucking okay. That's Austin, one of the Putnam brothers. Shane, he's part of the crew, the Putnam crew. I'm the creator. And watch Austin. Watch Austin. Oh, I thought he was dead. Oh, don't be cocky.
Cocky man.
See? And you know that's Mr. Garrison from Florida. Oh, fuck, Shane. I'm losing my goddamn mind. Shane and Austin are from Florida. They're from West Palm Berry Beach, right around that area.
Palm Beach.
Huh?
West Palm Berry Beach. It's West Palm Beach. Dipshit.
West Palm Beach.
Palmberry.
West Palm Dingleberry Beach. There. You happy now? Yeah, write that one down too. West Palm Berry Beach. God damn it. Hey, you be quiet. Don't do that. I will squeeze. Shit, Jesus.
I will hug you and squeeze you and call you George.
What? Do it! I can do it! Remember that fucking movie, Muscle Man?
I just want to hear Shane say Tutti Frutti.
I want him to say Tutti Frutti too.
Goody Footy. That was me.
Oh, that was pretty good.
Oh, that's Tutti Frutti.
Okay, one more to Tinky Winky Pinky Rolly.
Why?
Okay, just one more.
Because
Oh my god. Why do people hate me?
Oh, it's on you.
Get off
I
me.
It's not on you. How do you know it's on you?
I'm just telling you if
It's
it's
not on you.
Get it off me.
Just
Slide this off.
Carol makes me weigh 20 pounds heavier.
Shut up, give a fuck.
The Tinky Winky Pinky Rolly.
Tinky Winky Pinky Roly Poly Oly. That was Austin there.
That was
that was me, yeah.
Okay.
Well, fucking Gary, he gets a kick out of whenever Shane knows how to make these
It almost sounds like some fucking kid from, who's playing Call of Duty, and he's like, I'm gonna fuck your mom, bitch.
He sounds like if Mickey Mouse was
Come on, bitch.
I get it. Oh, he's gonna get my prostate check. Ha ha. You know why he's making that noise? Because he caught Minnie Mouse fucking goofy.
Okay. Tinky Winky.
Hold on, Goofy, what the hell, you the hole?
Okay.
That's it, I'm gonna get the shotgun.
And then you got fucking Goofy. He's like, oh, gosh.
Tinky Winky Pinky.
What are you doing?
Oh, hey,
I just called you.
you got Miss Piggy. Let's get me. That sounds just like Miss Piggy. Yeah, you look like Miss Piggy.
Oh, man.
Froggy. Yeah. Oh, Gurmy, I want to fuck a froggy.
Please say the Tinky Winky Pinky thing.
Oh, please say it, Jane.
Oh my god, I'm fucking dying over here.
Okay.
Ugh.
Yeah, does that help release tension?
Okay, we're waiting.
That's mostly such a flathead thing right there. Start release the tension.
Yeah, release the tension.
Okay.
Is that release the tension?
Hey, boy, I'm gonna raise it to tension. My mom fucking hates.
Beavis?
My mom fucking hates him. Don't you, Mom?
Beavis?
Beavis?
Yeah.
Want to share the essence?
Anyway, say it again.
Beavis, you want to share the essence?
Alright.
Anthem.
Want to do some offshore drilling?
Oh, God.
Oh, fucking hates the core.
Oh, God, I'm just waiting.
I love Beavis and Butthead so much.
Oh,
I like Ren and Stimpy.
Oh, look it!
Oh, that's
he
good.
hates that show.
I love that show. I watched the older, like, hardcore shit. Fucking was dying laughing.
Oh, right, dude?
Honey. Okay, come on. Pinky, Winky, Pinky, Rally, Pointy, Willy.
Is it no good anymore? We haven't watched it.
I haven't watched
Is it big guys?
I have no idea.
I don't. Oh my god, I'm laughing so hard I may have forgotten how to do it. Shit.
Oh, I plotted shit monster.
I had to bend down for a second. Hang on. Oh yeah,
Come
that's
on, buddy.
Tinky Winky Pinky Roly Poly Olly.
Gary, you look like a floppy rubber dildo.
It really does. Fucking jiggling around everywhere. Watch it wiggle, watch it jiggle.
This is critical. Gary looks like Jello on a subwoofer.
Oh.
It's like he's literally
Watch
out
it
of breath.
wiggle, watch it jiggle. Shit.
Looks like he's just dying.